Hello, this is Helen speaking from China. Now I'm standing in our leak test machine workshop. For our leak test machine, sometimes it's also called leak detect machine or leak inspect machine. In our industry, leak test machine is necessary because for some bottles, if after filling, if found some leakage, then it will take trouble to manufacturers. Today I will show you how our leak test machine works. 好了吗? Actually, our leak test machine is customized based on client's bottles. The head, the bottle head, the round bottle diameter and the leg diameter. The head shall decide the distance between the head and the convey. The width of the bottle diameter shall decide this convey side wall width. And the leg diameter shall decide the head diameter. Normally the head diameter is bigger or same as leg diameter. 好，听，等。Head, and then decide the head of head. Anyway, our leak test machine can satisfy different clients' demand. If you have any inquiry, please contact us. You will find the center distance of two heads is just one bottle wide. Okay, now these two bottles are perfect. If we try to produce some leakage, then we will find what will happen. 那个条条呢？调到口袋里。Okay, if we try to produce one leak, you check this red bottle will be kicked off automatically. Another test, if we try to produce some leakage on these blue bottles, the same thing will happen. Okay, let's try to test the next bottle, this one. Adjust the width of this convey side wall. Also, we need to adjust the head of the head, since this bottle is higher than the small bottles. Ah. 那这个瓶子的压头要重新换吗？现在没有。那要弄2套压头啊？等下看一下。 It's very easy to adjust. You just need this tool. I think it needs about 3 minutes to finish this adjustment. The head still not enough, so we need to go on adjusting. Just a little head difference. Let's try again. This head surface is a kind of rubber sticker. Also, our engineer is adjusting the position of this separate rod. Okay, we also need to adjust the head front or back some distance to make sure the bottle is under the center of the head. Okay, after finishing all adjustments, we need to fix this conveyor sidebar. Also, sometimes we need to adjust the position of the sensor to make sure the bottle will come. Looks everything is ready, let's go, okay? Now, these two bottles are perfect, so nothing is kicked off. Okay, let us try to produce some leakage. We try again.看看这个 sensor 工作不工作是吧？
那要给它分开吗？
这下可以了吗？Okay, I'm coming. Okay, this bottle, because just now I made the leakage on this bottle, so this bottle is kicked off. Let us try again with another bottle. Okay, just now I received this bottle, so it means this leakage test machine works perfectly. It can find out which one is unqualified bottle and which one is qualified bottle with precision, so it's okay.